Hello to my wonderful listeners. One Family TV wala mutanale nan kotenke. Mbadungoli ikafu journalisto meye pamudu bojang. Atele moti meyalon ko adia mutade. Akabu kalafi akanin kumakan fode katandiko. Mr. Happy and the youth are happy. Ako abu kalafi kapuru kanin kumakan fode meyalon ko wale mu Mamadou Sabal nintide. Adia muta kudola meyalon ko adia muta Mamadou Sabali. Meyalon kombe audio nintala mbe natalali nande. Pa modu bojang adia muta ninchendingo meyalon ko wale mu Mamadou Sabal nintide. Ani ikafo me ko Demba Sabale atafana mu moti me yalon ko adiamuta UDP ko la nyaton ko la de kafo me ko loya Usenu Dabo ala interview me yalon ko ay wala shoto de me yalon ko Gambia banko nin kande ay kuma kan dol fo me yalon ko be audio nim fanantala be natlal yenande ani modol be je men yalon ko yata Demba Sabal tare ka jabi ala kuma kan me yalon ko ay wala fo de me yalon ko be audio be talam be natlal yenande woto mbadi ngolo anni audio tanne lamoy anin hakkilola mbadi ngolum kane e lamoy anin jussola de
Mbukala fika nyemfode. Mr. Happy, the youths are happy. Yalong hadama dingo nga nyemfode nko momi ye londo soda buka wuro. Momi ye londo sodo jannabe diamula aka calculate akungo konole mbe nyimmin fola fo na fota kote mbe mallale fonta malula. Mo kendo le kawokeno. Nga sabali jejanne kabiri ye journalist solo arrest jam. Atara Star FM ay mune foje wala mu journalist solo fo wolle fisiata modolu te muna nete arrest la. Bari bi mune kete ila boss we journalist solo la kumayalo ne imaja journalist solo kumandi si mangola andum protocol mantaraji journalist solo do fango tata invitation letter te wala bulu kata wala fango tata invitation letter ba bari kunung mbe manta nyawonya mbe man sahabake mbe sirin suwo kono nga kibarol soto de wommin ka fo journalist wol ye fam muta mindi woka mundale konde san tubabudu yela dindingo sammanan ye bungo be fanday nin kandila minti sifa be wodindingo ka tawla bukala be minti sifa jumale cikala de abi minti jumale mala dindingo nyin ka tawle abogore kon na jang ye dindingol sinde bunkono ya be ke nyimminti nin nyin chocolate ye sakin sando ya mi rawo dindingol te tawla ba wole kata Mr. Youths are happy la kunu kato kunum bije na rada bije abe borla from one table to one table ika munda telephone e journalist or commande ika munda telephone e journalist or commande.
Yes, and sadly I heard Usainu call it the Barrow Constitution in your interview.
Barrow Papers.
Yes, he called it a Barrow paper, which is very condescending. Look, he has to understand the 2020 constitution that was drafted and submitted to the National Assembly was rejected by the National Assembly, not by Barrow and his cabinet. It passed Barrow and his cabinet. It went to the National Assembly. It was rejected there. And they're still politicizing and blaming President Barrow for that constitutional failure, for the failure of that constitution to pass.
Yeah, they're saying he orchestrated the failure.
I mean, how can he orchestrate?
By dividing what was a majority UDP legislature.
Look, he appointed all the ministers in the cabinet at the time. If he wanted, the easiest way to have undermined it was to have get it not past the cabinet. He is the chairman of cabinet. If he wanted to undermine the constitution, he would have undermined it in cabinet. Why allow it to pass from cabinet, go to National Assembly, and the UDP MPs voted against it, and they still cannot muster to accept that they made that constitution to fail. That constitution failed because of Usainu Dabo. And this constitution that we have...
It failed because of Usainu Dabo?
Yes.
How?
Because of who voted against it. Barrow had no MP at that time. There was no Barrow MP in the National Assembly. They were UDP voted members of parliament. Were they NPP MPs at that time? No. There was no NPP parliamentarian. They were UDP elected members of parliament. So whether they were not supporting the UDP agenda, that is a whole different discourse on at another time.
Some had already defected.
Well, defected to who? To where?
Well, they were branded independents at the time because NPP had not come up yet.
Well, Mr. Gomez, they were UDP elected members of parliament.
True, absolutely, I agree.
They voted and collapsed that constitution. So let Usainu Dabo and his UDP take responsibility of the failure of that constitution first. And now coming to this 2024 draft, even before it is tabled, he has announced that his parliamentarians are going to vote against it. So he is not even willing for a compromise. Look, constitution is about paper and writing. What is written there is written by the people. Why don't we allow the process to start and we improve it as we go? We mature it. Usainu Dabo was the vice president when this government started. He was foreign minister. He had control over the National Assembly. Majority of the parliamentarians, even before we talk about this defection.
He said he did everything he could to avoid being seen as undermining the president, trying to play president.
Oh, but he succeeded in getting them to change age limit so that he can be vice president. Because that was the first thing he wanted his parliamentarians to do.
The change was not for him.
It was for him. I had his interview.
No, it was for Fatoumata Tambajang.
No, look.
Initially.
Look, Fatoumata Tambajang is not over age. The bottom line is he couldn't have been vice president. So
neither could Fatoumata.
They put Fatoumata as vice president. But for him to be vice president, he was over age. They had to change that.
He admitted it in
exactly.
the interview.
So at that time, he could have been able to change most of these laws that he's criticizing today. He had the opportunity. He's the party leader of UDP, had majority in parliament.
So you don't believe him, apparently, when he said that he tried to avoid being seen to be undermining the powers of the president by trying to do certain things.
Look, he can say that to people who are not in this country or who are not following politics. We all know how he undermined the authority of His Excellency President Adama Barrow.
How did he do it?
I mean, that is a discussion for another day. But one thing for sure, he has always wanted to be president, and he shall remain wanting to be president forever. So that has never changed, even when he was a vice president or a minister. And of course, it was obvious to every Gambian, you know, how even after the presidential election, President Barrow was elected on a coalition ticket as an independent candidate. When they went into parliamentary election, the arrangement was these parliamentarians should have been on independent ticket, just like the president, so that everything would have been transition. But he was the one who insisted that these people are going to be party-based, knowing that the president was not party-based. The president was independent. But he wanted to get parliamentarians under the ticket of UDP that he can control the National Assembly and control authority. So for him to say he never acted in any way to undermine the authorities of the president, he can say that to people who are not politically inclined or who have not been paying attention. We have been paying attention. And we know he has tried to undermine the authority of the president, and he is up to today trying to undermine the authority of the president by sitting a former vice president saying that we will make this country ungovernable. That is treasonous in many places.
On this issue of constitution and compromise, just as you were saying, he should compromise by allowing this to go. He said, well, compromise should have begun with the government going back to the 2020 draft. That would have been, you know, the basis of a compromise, rather than come up with the 2022.
Don't you think that will be a serious disrespect to the institution of National Assembly? Look, I cannot present this document to you. You reject it as an institution. And then I bring it back to you. What am I trying to tell you? Am I shoving it in your throat? You see, if he thinks that way, President Barrow is somebody who believes in democracy and separation of powers and empowering of the institutions. The National Assembly rejected the constitution that was drafted in 2020. In an attempt to compromise, there were so many reasons why they rejected it. And there have been so much stakeholder consultation. Part of that consultation is to gather what are the most controversial points. We try to address those in the 2024 draft constitution. And he thinks we should still bring the document as it was. This was a document that was rejected by his MPs, led by him. And today he is asking us to bring the same one. Whether we brought that one which he rejected or bring a new one which he has announced he will reject, the man is bent on rejecting anything. So I don't think it matters what we brought, he is bent on rejecting whatever was brought. And I think it's premeditated with him.
This is the worst program I have ever listened two. Because you men kadiam ala kuendim ba ka nyin kyoban kadiam ala kumo dimita ba ka kamen fo janteng nyin kamen fa ka wuli ala fa nyin man to naf nyin karo ka ako the most organized party wala UDP. How can you call a party the most organized party when there is only one leader for more than 25 years? That alone it have no organized. Akamem fota ako president Barrow to lola atoka fa Adama Barrow abaka president Barrow akati lola ningi mantra wuli afola banko bela president lota ako ndrebe lola diamula program fonko nyin moderator ko eko ntoli ala ko president Barrow be lola NP baratu la kandiro malong atama ka wuli afo no men dun tan ko mbo fara du man taw fala santo no. I cannot listen to. No. I cannot listen. Nyinga mana kuma sifa fatan. Ako patilu. Ministry soldo kengino. Ulebege ulko itulbeta patitule. Abar nibita patito ekabakala abakala UDP let. Ulam pati jumalte. Jumalda siri soldo kengino. Akolo ako president Barrow ako lola. Ako ntula pati mo kilim pati one man pati. Atula pati one man pati. Saya muna ntula pati imadi ako ay kuma do fa jam fan alo fon dangaro sta ko ako nin daba man lotu mo ako la fon beteat ñi kuma la fa jante ñi ñi programme man correct ako nin daba man lolo fon beteat saying UDP ko men ko dabaro ko lalta kuto wol ni ñi bitano ñadal ñi men ka diamote ñi mu jumala famote ndama ñun long jumala mu ñent ñi programme no man ñi no I wish mbesiri in land moderator be programme close la because mba fala ko te kam be wuli yalla because akan na man se kala wuli ande ako woto lola aka fu obobala ko tole al dem ngalu al mal al be men kala kan sikumbal jumala sikumbat ya man ñi ñamat la ñi mala kam sikumba juma ñi kala ka fu president Barrow lola president Barrow kale parent la mala country afun time without number so akan na president fanyande ka foko no ito lola kan tula president fanyande nyimbo la kekante ha ako puntum pantam mala nyaadi minister fenk ako nyinga mo fatan ata pati juma kato Gambia nga pati limel long Gambia nga lon ni patli menan ko comme dia at least formidable wala NPP APRC NRP Mama Kande anin juma ngani nano mon fatan PPP min bela la ka wala mu GDC FNT may fat la parti Henry Gomez ngolu wala parti ringolti but come party ball at least because result on we are going by the results. So we have NPP, we have APRC, we have NCP, PPP, NRP. So Willem party remain coming, they are sizable. So I think I'm voting Willem party jumate abe Mama Candela akolof abe Mama Candela Mama Kande la ko akola Mama Kande nstano nga resulto jibe Mama Kande gel la soto ata Mama Kande akola ko mo fotan aka Mama Kande la ko mo fodan Mama Kande abola tan aka fa patlimena olam pati jumal katu ni ko PPP iko NCP NRP iko Mama Kande nga la fotan APRC already been to layer Shine. But let me recount. APRC Bentolea, NRP Bentolea, GMC Bentolea, GPDP Bentolea, PPP Bentolea, NCP Bentolea. So at saying at a jumal, ole Mama Candet. Aqua no patlifon, ako many phone Bentolea, ako phone menal. Here nobody in Tonya in Nadia went to come fall. yalon mbe kuma kelem falale nte ka programme wala moy nyamen ndulla mo be ge talibo ko ngira am confused lafta billa wala ngina diamo en kam fa baka en confusion la fam en kam fal lafta fala ko talibo ko ngira okay talibo be ge akilina be ge ñun mo fula kata ñin moderato ñin ñangi nen ka su dama ko dum dege sansan e ba tra ge UDP so ñin diam la patalmenta atna atabe attacking nala atabe attacking nala so anyway nde ko mo be fono la santo nda be fono la santo yaye mbe mem fala na diam la be tout yen sangi saba koji nde mem fala jang openly wala mu du kara atul memena diam la kote ke bala killa dulal ni sangi saba ko ni afo dawdan mba fala jam mo be amo nyola signakle membe be da handle ni sangi saba ko mba fala jam signakle ba ngi be UDP dimakan itu lafta men sangi sabo e ko sangi sabo mfota wala mu president baro ya foko ngam fangile Carlin vice president sen parti bolo bulu momo lafte ni ngoylo aleta carte fola itu lafta wala manke wala kam fa bela okay fine so nadi amal du kar ni ala ngin kanyin 3 years kola al kana fo fanko 3 years ngin tenente ala fo ko 3 years alko ye fenne ka fa ko gentleman agreement e ko wala e ba ka gentleman trage ko wala ko comme 3 years afo ko muna president basirin sanyi mo nen fula iko alanga na nga kele carte fola nga bondi ali moment tombo mol men na ko carte fola mo amam bonoje ali mo tombo na ali carte fola waya bondi alko ali o bondirin ko la dron sangi saba we boje alana mo kudo melan kana manta president alko ali carte fola ko ka carte fola fula nana mo do fono ala fe ko nana haklo bakan alla nyaton ko yudi bele keba ko nim president baroko ndegi la karsaba sangi saba aka ba samala kot hanal dan tawd la fondo Mr. Talbo al dan to fang manal imaja kamon fa aka fa imaje ko iko mo be bota notul imaje atabo tintine wolto aka fa ko mo be bota noto momam ba noto ndola momam ba noto imaje ko lo fata aka fa ma biri boto fala te ninten ab is trying to mock us abe mokan dabo ko nim president baro ko mbegi la sangi saba mba sama la kot hani ben danto to fam afan ko dabo ko nim president baro ko mbem fon la sangi saba akabita kot ako because banko luwa mem fon la sangi lulu yedangot bari ma ka fa iko mo be bota gere ko APS bota noto mo be bota noto maji aka fa okay wuri mu mo kessa la ndo banko le bobu ni bota noto tendinte maji akata wut lato Allah akbar ñing ndele ngi na diamo moy abe wuli afala ñing kew ñing men ka diamo ñing ka men futo ñand mo le president ka be lo carte fewla ndele candidat imagine journaliste ñum fanka ko NPP la candidat on bewla ata ko to lola ndema mo nan NPP FNK UDP hani bi UDP ka fa president barot lol ibele ko e kanyum fa dalilo men kamma ndo mala ka fa mo dalil kam e ka to lol ñin mo na mo sifat president lo banko be la president ko mbelo le ta ka fa to lola
gamé dungulu madi UDP ngolo memem fulale ko kunu ngafu na kumo kono ngo dunia banko daoda pati nungule ka chika yena la pati baka ning aya tari ite lata nyina ko banko be situation mento abe grawri na no abe bat situation olto andum banko jaretale ka bo o opposition pati nungulu wala ina la kafula pati bama ka kelo ke ka mansa jawo bondi mansa kurun bondi je dictator bondi je kaje ko banko president kendo so don o banko nyim fana ni wo pati mo alla takan alika sarto le landi andu luwa nyanda falinale ale time limit soton bare ngomba moy kanne e ko sulu sadio dolu men yalon ko dalla incumbent camp sitting president woli manta la president kan kafo ko iba support kan president do ko kendo la president mo kendo le non il est jifo ela jifo itata lawla strano ile iseng strano le muta imale be menkela sai ko alimbado ngala inkumben kan ngata ngaten falikul tento ngajay ibayila nsido man sodo noje julo be la Senegal ala fo ko bunjulo men be la Senegal yeta o bungu jode ni ma jowe o lebene no malu men na wolu fana menaren albena albe o moylalde ndemo to fala de bari men ko ite taralla patile kan me alon ko inkumben mun president kan because o mu hino president la de o mu kairo molati so mol ka fo ha atela bete a kende atami dawlo ko manke kende andu mote koma mo me yalon ko ite man hani mo tan sa boy fayta bonino le fangay say ni to ko la inkumben kam muna mol nyanta jelle la o mu jelle fe molati badi yudi bun ko gol albe katakol menna albe do ko menna mbal tendula wala mbal jayla fo nin kewlu ali ngante sidi sayen kay duna 2025 kono alam alambe mabe 2026 la annumbe pareri menna nyim banko e falin ko nim banko falin dambere ba nim banko tunenda atunenda mbele de ha ndol men be diam kan ndol men bu sama alifaldi nin sonda nyim banko tunenda bidun ngay na kumbe mbulo kono ndingul la sama mawda da mamaringul la sama mawda da mbar ndingul la sama mawda da fontale ko ngatu mo jubela abe tilimbali akela gambe dingul la ibe yanda la gambe dingul la nafulo la ibe fanfanga mayandila ibe ni kana be mfay kan modo wero be selendile biko sila wero findi ngoy dem gete jel hani yesude ni ko man ni fa wara ni ila nombal quality la call tala o fa wara mo sifalu ali nene kana wolke kafu nyaton kodi al nene kana wolke korda fang nyaton kodi ali kaneke fang hani sise kandala la nyaton kodi surtout aliyeke nin sol nin sajolla nyaton kodi moome yalon ko aya fam maji aya fan kayande aya fanke modi me yalon ko mondingo o mo sifalu wolle ka banko dingula sulo soton wolle ka balafa suto al banko dingule bari ngajele kon nanyim mol men be nyato ni men diamu de ka fo be sangle parkasinde lanare talibe be do ko men na KMC talibe be katakol men na KMC yankuba be do ko men na West Coast yankuba be katako men na West Coast gambe dingu bere nyaabola de amman hanke West Coast ngol damane nyaabola de amanke talibe be do ko men na KMC dingul damane bola de rahimal kilo men na banjuna amanke banjunu dingul damane nyaabola de bare Gambia dingul le nyaabala be menke kan an wolbu United Democratic Party la mollete bare ngam men jeje ni molbe silande UDP la bakele wala na foysi loka UDP criticize because ya lonne ko patio ima hopso to patio to membe tele wulindi la je men be keteli keta la for UDP United Democratic Party yola je andi yola hopso to wala na foysi lo ka United Democratic Party ke criticize ke jalay ka jalay roni ku tumiru ku molu nyori kan bade ngamianolu nimman karang nyimolla man karang ya jammela fonga momen ngalon ko ndol fonga le keta sababodi ka nati ka sembodi ala ka pawadi ala efirtimbe di ala ala baluwo sono yata ala jarlo bi hana kuranda moli asamba nin tel ko ndeli man kara wala fonka bule no ma ke falkul tento nka bule no ma nga wurina bari Gambia din sobelu Gambia lan sarole men yela ilambe kanu men yela banko kanu men yela dingula sama kanu anima marungul ni mumurungula sama wallahi wo Gambia dingulu motol nene no la katon to koyna Senegal ateli wo kay ngo hani moman audio futanda tolma ateli karandal seru ye tirimbalia men kala liajele nyinam fana the same thing andu ñinan tiyo man soton anyanda soton na nyame because mune yo beno ale agriculture minister men soto failure minister ñing kumata da kono namange ka UDP criticize ani UDP la nyaton kol men ya lonko wolebe do ko kendo ke kam banko e andu ye hope soto fana non nata semboto wolebe ñim banko taman la tlingni to nyala kono andu banko be falinale banko dingu lefta la nyame oto be Gambia dingu be kuman la katon to koyna albe mem to ali ngam bulo di nyola nga UDP tambini 2026 nyim banko abe kala nyabo bankol di West Africa inshallah bari ngamol je janne kabiri nata December 2016 ye dunia kumo befo be Gambia keltenne do modol tamira wala ko be Gambia kala fo Singapore lati bang say ñindol nata wala ko Gambia mu ñon tanglati West Africa say momo nata jang hani kole amantari banko kan kul be dabe sono yarine ngombele ka moy ñola onenere kuma sifalu e kamira fan dol be je fan comme ça italia muta Gambia dum bebe fingolo kono comme ça Gambia dum li nya fingitale son no mol noto dale e hakilol mantari diaring ni tele kumo men fo mole nyanda la wala e be diam kele poso ila poso le Gambia dum ngal tendo ngal jey annal badi malam Mr Wali Demba Sabali ngaye taye jota yemin e be sila nyamen na pour ni UDP na foy kalkin ni mansa sobe hani am mange UDP ni mansa kunda sobe nata kata adam baro le minister bang adam baro bang ibebe kitile because tijaro menge banko ka nal bo sila ngala wodo kabirin sa la football bago commencé de bari bayita ate bayila de 2026 wallahi taala wa barakatuh mbaden gambianolu katon to koyna diaspora aning Gambia ngal be konton be United Democratic Party dingu be konton na aning Gambia lansaro be bafulol na His Excellency Lawyer Ousainou Numukunda Dabo, the party leader of United Democratic Party, this Secretary General and the party leader nga konton bake aning UDP la executive member so be ani entire UDP be katon to koyna diaspora Gambia ngal be kondong ani Gambia lansaro be alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin sankuto mbe ala tentula wato be seronin doli ake nyokan inanni ma ke nyokan be tambirin kola na jabiro be kelamenti wolemu e kafo me ke so called Dr. Sabal Demba Sabali aka memfo UDP ma aninna leader ma aninna mayor ninna chairmanol ma mbafula Demba Sabali ko dukare be da bitinale ye da sorong Minister of Agriculture Gambia abala fa warta bake bandala bankol la Minister of Agriculture altay wol jube ibe do ko menke ka jannimba fala bandala banko ko tangol fangale Senegal men ben dala jang ila science government men yalon ko lota mamme bake ila Minister of Agriculture ani le president wolbe mune kata kul ke kan ministry ko to me yalon ko be marli Senegal la ko la wala mu Minister of Agriculture di anin Gambia la Minister of Agriculture so called Dr. Sabali but amanke Dr. Ti Demba Sabali fa abala fa men warda me alon ko tata sama kono ka fam video anala family li kada be senola ko minister be senola be fuiro ke ka singola nyin ko bala fa wara batale ni to ko ite londo le soton anu be marlim palaso la minister le muiti anu ite nyanta ka senelal nya fitale ite nyanta kela lodula fa ite manyan nat kela moti me alon ko be kuma kan nyor la opposition party nyaton kol ma anin wala meol ni la chairmanul wolbe do ko menke kayla tundol kan ite be diamula wolle banka foy ko ala jube West Coast kol nimisatale because of Yankuba Dabo wonata sonkola Yankuba Dabo natale katilingin tonya sabati kaje nonsense so membe Birkama area council alla chairman koto mentarta jenum ndahana to fola bi ko to niya to fo masibol wo mentarta jenum fayala office abus comme ça yake mafia dulata atali fangal ya along ning ayatari masakunda sobele be mbulo kono wo chairmano nyanta baylale kabiri njuna ya kitindi because of ayala office ke palaso menti anwala office nyinta mitawolale Yankuba Dabo nata do kola atollebe Yankuba Dabo ke kelelati Yankuba Dabo manke kelelati Yankuba Dabo hadamanun la nyanto bunya bakele Yankuba nata Birkama area council ka doko ke kunu Birkama area council be nyamena animbi abe nyamena is quite different battle Gambia dingu bele olo nyola and West Coast bele olo nyola West Coast yalon ne ko ye chairman so say ne me alon ko wetele hat wole nata kana do ko la ka West Coast be nya fita ali be silan ni menna because ñin be do ko menna wayal kijo tele alla leader fang mantar hanyering wala nabe kumo fay kan because ñadon ko fosi soñi na bang ite la tundo molu suku fitinola because ite ñadon ko yokele allo tala ko kemsin ko le funti yeta protest la because of talbe ya bula menna amantaro ke kan bi president fang me mira bo kumo fetumo menna ate fang gambe dule lanne amen sotade ya tambindi 2016 2021 amanga nyede aya fanne forcé sembo to abe sirinje wala naman si abe nyoyre bar 2016 gambe dule lanne amen kala puru na nata iko sanyi saba baro sanyi saba ko na yanda luwa buka kutole dundila dila gambe dungla wo luwa me alonko abe gambe dungul bele comfortable la barate moke atel demba sabale atol sifalle yaja me felindi jang sayal nata naki alambaro fanan bala ka felindi baro fanan aliyo fanan tar felisilo la kam because wo fanan moka mola nyi nyaajo because yalon hada bani wona aketa fisir wallote aketa jam fa moti atel mo sifalle nyanta tarrawo mari bala ha ala buka kujaw kede hada mani wulle ka kujaw ke bar alla buka nene muka kujaw ke niajal kafta nyoma je aliman kese bono jabo kono foka kuma nyori opposition party nyaton kolma ani wala do kulal men be do ko kekan wallahi atolle mu sifa kelon fatul les kafuno nyoma donon ale gambe dingul kumbondi bar gambe dingul la kumbo dantale mol fokale sabal fulanya iko muni ka foko ha adambaro manyantala tata mula wol mbel luwa soso kanne luwa membe je 1997 constitution le beje andu sojar marlo le luwa le moti ngamira liaje 2020 draft constitution gambia dingul bele d'accord la wala pour ay dun député bun kono munatina alla député lu atel fangalu ning adambaro la tanyo kan anin député le ka o fay dos bino kono sal ka laftal luwa buka kuto dole dundi la naring memba tel febola min ngalon ko wol matel la interest let bara alman banku dingul la interest jubeje hey alte gambe dingul nene no la kota ke nyim bankon kan ali feltale anu albe continuer la ka fel anu gambe dingul la jikonin la ne afanam bantal tole freng momante la moy alla lanko alte mol mislead no la ali da haka misleading ke gambe dingul katondo koyna Senegal natali man karang al nenete karang na koteke nali yalla carte ci kal yadi adam barola wallahi atele fisata tolti adam baro no tatam for adam baro no tatam for adam baro no tatam for anyone in this country is enough only 2 term andun lafta wo term limit le dun lanna banko la loi bu ko kono baratel men mo greedy men yalon ko atel selfish tal al man la fi fenna naman ka la jifone alla posoti al man gambia dul hat atol lebe taral loring kaje ko president ye nyanto sotonne kata manda saban nyala because banko la luwa e meitandi wala mukasi banko rul no la fu hantati yes subhanallah ale mo kurul jube gambia dul ye carte fay 2016 ye yin carte fay ndali lolo kanko nim adam baro sida fangale banko be ay wala de na sida abe luwa falinale wo luwa nying abe kala tam limit be taraje wo tam limit ni wala muko ila 5 years ila kata ko wala batin na beta another 5 years oto pour yetim ay tima 10 years la bar ni man kata ko ke banko di be bole to ni be jindile say ni wonara si wo dabe bulata lidu moko ra ka date bola lidu moko na dabe to la bitin ni njele ako walla fone akun kunu taje oto gambe dum la tele betula mune bulu momi yaron ko ali yake fendi amanke fendi kunu bi ali yake fendi onata ko ateli man jare fennata dam man nyanta tarra lidu moko no atol dingulu wol tekela fendi sama ñi mu naniri balati ñi mol kal nani le gambia dungulu karon do koy ne kal nan ngo atele talma la carte kesoti mota manke moti ni koro diala ikal nenele wo koro me ala hani moy wuli kemedi la mo sanji lulu atabe jolle so million jolle so don nawoto ngafo no audio dotole ikana ikal nene tenne agriculture minister itela do koy malong itela do ko mu ñinete kata opposition party ñaton ko criticize ka kuma kan fay kan ya te ila do ko menti la homework tayta continue yela homework because ila homework fan aman nafa sotong ye bula ye ke minister menti ka do ko ke banko dingule imantaro tamande ka bayte be bulo ko ke ka mo kun clean ani la jifo ibe diam ka wole de mantar diam ka gambe dingule de ya mira foybe gambe dum nene la gambe dum le kurinde tati
adama e men fo Mamadou Sabal la case wono Mamadou Sabali be ila mali sada bondirin kola mol be ngunu la ko Mamadou Sabali bita NPP what killing ngaje ko Mamadou Sabal resigned about UDP kumo fiat ha bita NPP la tra NPP ye Mamadou Sabal hecha adama barola ciaw manol ala yaay kompino ciaw manol i kafta nyoma i kamfata i konga nyokumben ne ngata adama ila forumot nin tata adama baroya ngaitande adama la ko Mamadou Sabal ne abar muso ram Sabal nin adama niyawol welcome idunta NPP ntol bebe bota patwel men to be saylale because NPP mu parti kono le patiol la kafta nyoma kono coalition la patiol wala li kafun okay ye patio form wala keta NPP be Mamadou Sabal men tol tinya akon tol mu gene mu solleti ntol la ni la ministre be jenola ana bar muso ye kuno be fayita adama ka bi yow Mamadou Sabal lefta wala welcome la ana bar muso ka salandin tol kan wotin tol man ka fenti ntol man jare fenna ndekeno le fenti ni waketa mbebe saylan na patio kono momo bota dame adama ala moli jabe munela akoy ko ale hakatu politiko man karamba nyinin ka Mamadou ko karantali sonta ko karantali bare Mamadou la karango nteto yitala ntela chewya anna banko kano mbe wala yitala akoy bar allaftan khalela dame naliyoki ali bentula ni misolo kon biral sonta ko Mamadou len tol nondi ali sonta ko Mamadou len tol nondi ay kuma kolongo be foma woti jawo ni na da kelola na ariyata ifanan kana ariyerde na ariyata nyorakam abe sembele be nakilala bani ni jawo ariyata kal tema chano man ka dunje ita sotonola woti na dual nin na sadal lebe jabola nka men duwa wala mo nga Mamadou muta ay no men kenna ay seneyande Mamadou ya NPP tayle Mamadou ya na karakta tinyale Mamadou ya tro la fin kunto tro mem Mamadou dron ne so bonon kunto woti politiko manke karambati politiko mo hakkilolet anim banku kano akoy alentu alimbula tun kunkoto alimbula nim Mamadou mba kasar la janne ay kasara nyame ba fangle ba fan kasar la ay kene kono tamel la UDP la campolto UDP NPP la campolto NPP la bureau kono NPP la official to aka telebo kene kono ta be nawunna ani mota dennale wo kola mina mel la ka ngola ka barite mo hadu meri mo ta nene no la ni mam fango yitala adama kanyim place newol ni nyen ko di newol men di Mamadou la won be mu dolingolet ibo ko dolingo chasken sang fay ba kono ikam malola ke dolingo dato non te nyenya mamma ye chasken sang dolinken sang de ba kono ya kunun fenne be talla dolingo de be men kununna wala kamare kanto woto Mamadou fanan temmutano la Adama Barrow bulu na man fendi yala man feyitala woto bi UDP fanan be wala nyama ne arda ko Mohamed Sabale tiñar ke Adama Barrow ni youth MPP baro Mohamed Sabale kelen dunta Adama Barrow ni NPP blokon bi Mohamed Sabale ronne si Adama Barrow ni NPP sene andi no ay nomen ke kan mbemba fana mo ma fa UDP nondi mo ma fa Usain Dabo non atale nondi adunga badi ngolen Usain adum bemba badi ngolen Gambia dingolti bemba mo Gambia dingolti mo manyin kumol dunga da mo manyin kebaro hakilo diyala sai nimbemba fandi sai kana ta UDP le torali munabbe kalal tolla konkote pour kambemba bay folo wote ngamira mbemba natal kan nyame alba accept lale ali ya sindi jakan ka bungo kon wala mu jakan ka bungo wala tonya bunguti jakan ko ka mo sindi tonya la kan ikeba ta nyawnya ikuma ta nyawnya nin jakan ko be put la true ike sabale ike mutale yelandi tabulo kan yeju fara men nyanta yakela dube sonnale yebute hanni ni la musolem jakan ka kundale kulurono ndemba mu jakan ka dingol Usain Dabo mu jakan ka dingolet Gambia mu horoma bankolet woti alinga doman ndemba be sonna nabina UDP sango sang abe sonna mentinya UDP adada ay mentinya Gambia adada nimbe maman so wala mbemba la ba fandi side la bar wodi am wato man simbadi ngol ko mem man si ibe fon fala wodi amola ning mbemba widrote be mun no lawt ita kuno la mbemba ma ita foro se no la hani be nabe tarla jaw kelol la askeno ala plano sieta la planoti mbemba la plan killing ye dunde ku kono ni imanna la dolu soto dum abina men kala sama yawlon wota alinga mbadi ngonani nga kungo mosi fa hanyinna nga hanyala nga muru badi ya kono men tinyata nga jibe abe dedala nyama nga deda bi Mohamed Sabale be Adama Barrow le man sakunda biya ba enjoy kam adu Mohamed Sabale tinyaro le kel Sidi Njai abe Adama Barrow le man sakunda kono ba enjoy kam albel na Sidi Njai fa ba ko to mañate tinyaro kel bi wol malla fi na UDP soksi Adama Barrow kunun ay même fo mbemba drame wala mi yinte ko kata UDP amunya society let Adama malla fi mbemba ta UDP wallahi billahi tallahi a jarta pour Adama fanfa mune o sabu because mbemba lonna Adama lonna mbemba menke ani mbemba jarta munel wotali nga doman bake membe lonta bebu ka fo ni mbemba diamo please Lamin Jammeh nyancho Ibrahima Sane anin jumale mo musinde woni malo jumale fo Mariama fo jumale ba adukare altol men be nyo sabola mbembala kola ngal dani ale kilay Gambia UDP toyal ba Usain toyal alinga mbembala diamo bondi forumo kono completely ngalandi karla ninga amina diamula o batar la mbemba ben na kafo kono na kafo endos bar bi mbemba ma UDP endos solo mbemba ko a jam fata UDP la UDP jam fala wotal ngam munya nin sutiyata nyola lungume musome lafta futula ni ma futu folo ibuka songo ye katala ko ha kano central temano bari katala wobe haram yalal temale wote bi memba ma fandi saita man UDP endos ay damen endos ay tinyaro ke ja bota jele san tadula man jefolo amayita wota alinga duwa nemu UDP la kairoti memo Gambia la kairoti ala simbe sondi wala ala nyati lindi wala mo ma foko mbemba la ko tediyamula mo ma foko mbemba la ko manka diyamu tati bari ari ñillon ko mbemba mu dambe tiolati adun jakanka dingolemu adun Gambia dingolemu nta bondino la Gambia nta bondino la jakanka ya kono adun jakankolo kuma tabake in any issue l'islamo la karola Gambia la karola bari patio la karola ni aje ngofo alla patio la alfa jakanka dim forola ba usenda woto bi nalka Gambia ngene kadi ba usenna woto mbemba mu ba usenu ba dingolati ma foko mbe politiko la badi yaay bari kamen faale to wala mo alingata hakilo la ngado mandoma ngalon ko Gambia mun tolle tati di amoni birin kunun abe forumo kono nyo sabobe da du ngaje ko kana laban damen wala ka nyo nango nin kuma kan kolon si nyoma adu mallafi woye na nyim forumo kono kabo sign na after my this addressing mallafa jela nyin ko dia moy kenyim forumo kono anymore ni momo ya nati mba fola adminole ya dia monyi ya wutu ya fay banta adu wobe kele mari jutuna yalati adu mallafi nyinna nga jutu nyola forumo kono o tanko forumo nyin nga niole alo banku din kili nyoya alo ali ngo maintain nga sabar nyoye ndambala ko ali nga sabari ni man sabari bu ko wata do bayno ali nga sabari ntase mem faale Gambe dingul UDP dingul ali nga sabari mbemba aka fangol la aka badingol la aka lasilol la bar nim man sabari nten sawo sotono la ali nga sabari ntase wala faale